Ito na po ang PDP Laban official senatorial candidates at ang possible PDP Laban guest senatorial candidates. Kilalanin po natin sila isa't isa. Senator Christopher Bongo, Ronald Bato de la Rosa, Philip Ipe Salvador, Attorney Raul Lambino, Attorney Jimmy Bundok, Attorney J.V. Hinlo, Congressman Rodante Marcoleta, Pastor Apollo C. Kibuloy, Attorney Vic Rodriguez, Luis Chavit Singson. At eto na po lahat ang PDP Laban official senatorial candidates at ang possible PDP Laban guest senatorial candidates for 2025 midterm election. Mga kababayan, iboto natin straight. PDP Laban, vote straight po tayo mga kaibigan.